Sickle Cell Anemia by Harsh Patel for University Level Bio. So sickle cell anemia, in a nutshell, is a genetically inherited disease affecting your blood. It takes healthy red blood cells in your body and turns them into sickle-shaped cells, which can cause your blood vessels to get blocked off, limiting oxygen in your body, causing many effects. Some of these effects include getting abdominal pains. Along with that, you can get joint pains and death of tissues due to low amounts of oxygen. Now, what causes this intriguing disease? Well, it all begins with the synthesis of hemoglobin S. So as we all know, there are chromosomes within our nucleus. In this disease, the 11th chromosome is altered. Within the DNA of this chromosome, the hemoglobin beta gene is mutated, creating hemoglobin S, or sickle hemoglobin. Originally, the hemoglobin is in charge of transporting oxygen from your lungs to other parts of the body, which it still does, but now once the oxygen is released, the cell starts to stick together and change their shape into a crescent-like formation, blocking off certain vessels. Now, how is this inherited, you ask? Well, what happens is you have a mom and dad who are heterozygous for this trait. In this case, the little t represents sickle cell anemia. Both recessive genes are acquired from the parents, and the offspring will have sickle cell anemia. People who carry this recessive gene have sickle cell trait. Now, the populations which are affected by this include people from the African ancestry, Middle Eastern, Indian Asian, and Mediterranean. This is because that is where malaria originated, but through evolution, this mutation was able to fight it. Symptoms of sickle cell anemia include shortness of breath, dizziness, headaches, coldness in hands and feet, paler than normal or mucous membranes, and jaundice. There are prenatal tests to be taken. To know 100% that the baby has the disease, you would need to get an Amniocentesis Test. In this, the amniotic fluid surrounding the fetus is tested for any traces of hemoglobin S. Currently, there is a treatment out there, including a bone marrow transplant, also known as a stem cell transplant. Since bone marrow makes these red blood cells, all the cells with hemoglobin S can be removed or filtered, only leaving clean red blood cells, which will thereafter be made. Although this is a very expensive procedure, it proves to get patients back on their feet, feeling healthier than ever. Thank you. This was Sickle Cell Anemia by Harsh Patel.
Created using Powtoon.